In this video, we'll be learning how to make pancakes. The ingredients you need to prepare are egg, vinegar, all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, milk, salt, and butter. Now we're going to mix in the dry ingredients, which are flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, baking soda. We're going to sift these ingredients into a large bowl. Now it's time to make the curdled milk. To make this curdled milk, we need to mix vinegar and milk and leave it for 5 minutes. You will see the milk thicken. Next, we're going to prepare the wet ingredients. Crack an egg and separate the yolk from the white. Now we're going to combine all the wet ingredients together. Combine the egg yolk, curdled milk, and unsalted butter together. The next step is to mix the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients together. Mix gently with a spatula or a wooden spoon until the batter is well combined. Lastly, add the egg white. Preheat the pan on low heat for 10 minutes and melt some butter on top of it. Scoop the pancake batter into the pan and wait 3 minutes until you see bubbles forming on the surface of the pancake. Flip the pancake carefully and cook for another 2 minutes on the other side. Now serve the pancake with your desired toppings such as honey, whipping cream, syrup, powdered sugar, and fruits. Now what can we learn from the processes mentioned in the video? Firstly, when making the curdled milk, vinegar is acidic. When the vinegar is added to the milk, the acid in the vinegar reacts with the proteins in the milk, causing the proteins to huddle together and separate itself from the water. This is good for making pancakes as the acid in the vinegar allows the baking soda and baking powder in the batter to activate, achieving the fluffy texture. Another fact is, baking powder and baking soda are chemical ingredients that function to leaven batters. Baking soda reacts with acids, like the curdled milk, and neutralizes it, producing carbon dioxide as a gas product. The carbon dioxide then helps the baked good to rise. Baking powder contains dry acid and baking soda. Therefore, when any liquid is added to it, the powder reacts to form carbon dioxide gas, acting like a leavening agent in the process.